Y'all, we just got a package in the mail from RPG Wigs. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I was so excited, y'all, when I got this email. Like, hey, we want to send you something, girl. I was like, me? Ooh, girl. So, let's get into this package, y'all. Ooh, she's cute. She's nice and boxed up. Look at that. RPG. So cute. OMG. I'm excited. All right, y'all. Ooh, come on. Come on, packagings. The packagings. Okay, y'all see it? Yes. This is a cute little box. Okay. It's giving upscales. Okay. Oh, girl, I mean, she's wrapped tight. She's cute. Hold on. Let me take her off. Okay. Child, I had to send measurements and all. Ooh. And there's some other stuff in there too. But here she is. Listen, y'all know I love a little streak. This is what she's looking like out the box, y'all. But hold on, we're gonna get back to her. Let me just lay her to the side. Let's see what's in this box. We got a wig band. Okay. Oh, we have some Say Goodbye to Frizzy hair, the little tamer stick ting. Okay. Got some wig caps. I was just saying I needed to get some more of these. We got some wig caps though. We have, thank you for supporting us. This unit was made with love and we hope it brings beauty and light into your life. And that is from the CEO. Okay, cute. Little thank you card. Come on. They got a little magazine, girl. Oh, how I get in the magazine? Who is that on the cover? Okay. I ain't know RPG Show had a magazine, girl, baby. That is official. You hear me? Ooh. Okay. Yes. Come on. I needed something cute to put my hers in. Yes. Okay. That is really cute. That's cute. I can't wait to use this. Especially because your girl is getting ready to head out for a little bit. So I'm excited about that. Okay. Let's get into this wig. Okay. Okay, y'all. So this is the Dominic 002. That's the name of this wig, y'all. You can see it already fresh out of the box. I mean, it is giving what it needs to. As I was running my hands through it, y'all, I was like, wow, this is so soft. And there were like no, tangles or anything. This is a 13x6 glueless Swiss lace front wig. It is 200% density. You see me put my hand in it right here, y'all. The lace was giving what it needed to. I was like, okay, this is my first human hair wig. I would say this is definitely, what your girl was needing. And you can even just see it up close here, y'all. It's giving all natural, okay? It even had the adjustable band on the inside, which I really, really like that and need that. So that was pretty cute. Y'all, I did run a comb through it as well. And you see me just running the comb straight through it, y'all. It was minimal shedding. It probably was like one piece of a hair in here. You see me looking at it. When I tell you this thing definitely, like, I was impressed. Even just the feel of it. Like, you can definitely tell that it's human. And it is 20 inches, by the way, y'all. So this is 20 inches. You see the color streaks in there as well. I love just a little bit of color. And it's a really natural look. You see the hook there inside that you can adjust it as needed. And even just the combs as well. It does have the combs. This is glueless, y'all. Y'all already know I'm not going to glue this down. But the inside of the cap was definitely pretty high end, I would say. We can also add, your lace tint right there. I didn't even need to tint this lace, y'all. And I typically don't do that. but I definitely did not need to do it for that either. So I got my wig cap on, y'all, and once I got that kind of squared away, I think the wig cap was a little small for me. I do have some other ones. I just kind of push my hair back up in there just a bit. If you're new to my channel, yes, your girl does have alopecia. I put the band on. It was pretty adjusted the way I needed to. Now, this is a side part wig, but I did put it in the middle first just to see how it would look. And I thought it did pretty good in the middle as well. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know what you think. You'll see me change it to the middle in a little bit. As you can see, I'm still combing through, baby. Minimal shedding, very soft, very thick. Like, this hair is 200% density, and you can definitely tell that. It was not a pre-cut lace, so your girl did kind of get it situated first, and you can see here, y'all, it's giving Scalpiana. They plucked it. I thought it was baby hairs in the beginning, but there are no baby hairs. Thank you, Lord, because I'm not the biggest fan of those. Okay. But as you can see, it's looking good. Drop down in the comments and let me know, what are you thinking, y'all? I really like the length. I think it's a good length on me. And I think it's a good color, too. I think it looks really, really natural. I've been trying to get wigs that, you know, look natural, right? That don't give it just that bumpy look. I did cut the lace. Yeah, I think I'm a lace cutting pro at this point, okay? When I cut the lace, y'all, I like to get my clips so that I don't cut any extra hair off. So that's what I was doing there. I cut it as close as possible, and then I went back and cut it again after this video. So I did that, and already I was like, okay, girl, it's giving. It's definitely giving. Now, y'all, for some reason, I was just having trouble kind of maneuvering this part. I had to get me a second clip. And then I had to just kind of go back, and I was trying to cut it from one direction and couldn't get that direction. I just did not want to cut too much, right? But I finally got it together, okay? Okay, so here is where I shifted the wig to the side just a bit, and that is how it's supposed to be. And I did like it from the side just a bit better. Gave it a few comb throughs. As you can see, y'all, I took this straight out the box. I ain't put no flat iron to it or nothing. I think it was good to go as is. I probably will eventually, but I'm really liking this look. It was giving like Video Girl 2000s. I felt like, y'all see it? Giving scalp and whatnot. I had to get a comb and do the little, you know, scalp test, as you can see. Listen, don't forget to use my code, y'all, with RPG Wigs. It is DUGGAN. You can get $100 off. And the details for this wig, including the link, are in the description box below. Listen, let me know what you think about this wig, and I'm going to see y'all next time. Bye.